Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again with a brand new Webflow video. In today's tutorial, guys, I will be showing you how to fix DNS not propagating in Webflow. So to fix DNS not propagating in Webflow, confirm your A records. So when you're trying to add your domain name manually into the website, you will need to add multiple records of the DNS like the @ and the W and the CNAME, the text, and the A record. So when you try to confirm your A record and the CNAME, make sure that they are correctly and set at your domain register. Then wait 24 hours. It can take up to 48 hours for global propagation. Then verify settings in Webflow under site settings publishing and basically ensure that no conflicting record exists. So simply just follow up these points step by step, and this should fix the issue for you guys. Now, if you still have the problem, then you need to contact not Webflow but your domain platform where you bought the domain from. For example, you bought it from GoDaddy, then you will need to actually contact them and let them know that the actual DNS is not connecting with Webflow. Maybe your platform doesn't support Webflow, or maybe there is something interrupting your connection, so they will have a solution for you. Other than that, you need to make sure by yourself that every single record that you have written is correctly copied. Any space, any wrong number will conclude in wrong DNS properties, and basically the configuration will not be propagating. So yeah, that's all you need to do. Literally just make sure that your A record, CNAME, and text record are all written correctly. Follow this article, just copy these numbers, and this should be it for you guys. And yeah, that was completely it for today's video. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave us a beautiful comment, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos.